Hello students, here are some word meaning of Neha's alarm clock lesson. You have to write down in your notebook. Narrator, one who tells a story. Snuggles, lie comfortably. Mutters, speak in low voice. Windowsill, window frame. Bright, shining. Warm smile, pleasant smile. Behind, at the back. Snores, breathes with a sound. Rush, hurry up. Now, here is the exercise. Question number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? नेहा की अलार्म क्लॉक हर रोज कितने बजे बजती है? 6 o'clock. Answer is 6 o'clock. What did the bird say? Birds क्या कहते हैं? Sleep on, wake up, go and play. The bird said, wake up. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. The answer is our body clock. Put the letters in the right order. You have to put these words into right order. Like one is given for you. This is alarm. This is clock. You have to try these by yourself. Here are some words and you have to find these words in this box. Mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. Next question is, who said these words to whom? Wake up dear, wake up fast. Who said to whom? कौन किसे कहता है? Who said? Now see, wake up dear, wake up fast. Birds said. Birds said to Neha. Ma, who woke me up today? Who said? Neha. To whom? Mother. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Mother to Neha. You have to write these questions in your notebook. Next questions we will do in the next class. Thank you, students.